The race to create the first automatic chronograph was a highly competitive and exciting period in watchmaking history. Three major players, Seiko, Zenith, and Heuer, were at the forefront of this race, each striving to develop and launch their own automatic chronograph movements. Seiko's involvement can be traced back to the late 1960s, when the brand embarked on an ambitious project. Seiko was determined to develop a fully integrated automatic chronograph movement, meaning all the chronograph components would be incorporated into a single module. Their main objective was to create a reliable, accurate, and mass-producible movement. After years of research and development, Seiko unveiled its groundbreaking caliber 6139 automatic chronograph movement in 1969, just a few months before its competitors. Zenith, a renowned Swiss watch manufacturer, was also actively involved in the race to create an automatic chronograph movement. Their efforts led to the development of the legendary El Primero movement, which came to light in 1969. The El Primero, considered one of the most accurate chronograph movements of its time, boasted a high frequency of 36,000 vibrations per hour, allowing for precise timekeeping capabilities. Meanwhile, Heuer was pursuing its own path in the race. They partnered with Breitling, Hamilton, and La Joux-Perret. Their collective efforts resulted in the creation of the Chronomatic Caliber 11 movement, which debuted in 1969. The Chronomatic featured a modular design, where the chronograph module was placed on top of an existing automatic movement. In terms of the exact timeline, Seiko was the first to announce and release an automatic chronograph watch with the caliber 6139 in May 1969. Zenith followed closely, introducing the El Primero in October 1969. Heuer's chronomatic caliber 11 was unveiled a bit later, hitting the market in December 1969. It's worth noting that each brand had its own unique approach and innovations in creating their respective movements. Seiko focused on integration and mass production, Zenith on high-frequency accuracy, and Heuer on modularity and collaboration. Ultimately, the race to create the first automatic chronograph was a close contest, with Seiko, Zenith, and Heuer making significant advancements and contributions to the industry. Each brand's achievement resonated differently and left a lasting impact on the watchmaking world. Today, the caliber 6139, El Primero, and chronomatic caliber 11 remain legendary movements, representing important milestones in the history of watchmaking.